Hi everyone, I'm Zulaiho, and in this video we'll be treating cofactors. To find the cofactors, we'll find the minus of the element, then the difference between the product of the diagonals of the elements. Before we proceed, let's establish the signs of each element in the matrix. The matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. So to find the sign, the first element here, which is 2, will be positive, followed by negative, then positive. Moving on to the next row, the first element will be negative, positive, and then negative. And the last row, it will be positive, negative, then positive. If we look at the pattern, you can see that it's interchanging. The signs are interchanging in such a way that no two same signs are directly next to each other, no matter the order of the matrix. So proceeding to the question, the first element is 2. We are going to find the minus of 2. So to find the minus of 2, we'll cancel out all the elements on the same row and column as 2. And then we multiply the diagonals and find the difference. So the sign here for 2, the first element, is positive. So we have positive, and then we have 2 here. So 2 times 2, that's 4, minus 1 times 1, that's 1. So we have 3. That's the cofactor of the first element, element 2. So the cofactor is 3. For the next element, which is 4, we are going to cancel out all the elements on the same row and column as 4. And then the sign for 4 is negative. So we have negative. And then 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 times 3. That's 3. So that's minus 3. That's the cofactor. For the next element, which is 5, we cancel out all the elements in the same row and column as 5. I have a separate video on minus, so I'll put the link in the description below. You can check it out. The sign for 5, element 5, is positive. So we have 3 times 1, that's 3. 2 times 3, that's 6. So we have 3 minus 6, that's minus 3. We have minus 3. For the next elements, we have 3. So all the elements on the same row and column as 3 will be cancelled. And then the sign is minus. So we have minus 4 times 2, we have 8. Minus 5 times 1, that's 5. 8 minus 5, that's 3. So the answer is minus 3. That's the cofactor for that element. Then moving on to the next element. The next element is 2. So cancel out as usual. The same element on the same the element on the same row and column as 2. So the sign for 2 is plus, is positive. So we have 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 5 times 3, which is 15. 4 minus 15, we have minus 11 with the positive here. So the answer is minus 11. So we have minus 11 here. And then for the last element on the second row, we have 1. So we cancel all the elements on the same row and column as 1. So we have 2, 1, 4, 3 left. The sign for 1 is minus. So 2 times 1, that's 2, minus 4 times 3, that's 12. 2 minus 12, that's minus 10. So minus 10, don't forget the negative at the front. So we have minus times minus, that's plus 10. So the answer is 10. For the last row, so the first element is 3. So we are cancelling all the elements in the same row and column as 3. And this sign for 3 is positive. So we have 4 times 1, that's 4, minus 5 times 2, that's 10. 4 minus 10, that's minus 6. With the positive sign at the front, that's still minus 6. So we have minus 6 here. That's the cofactor for that element. The next element is 1. So we're cancelling out again. So the sign for 1 is minus. So we have minus. 2 times 1, that's 2, minus 5 times 3, that's 15. 2 minus 15, that's minus 13. So minus 13, we have 13. So 13 is the cofactor. For the last element, which is 2, we're cancelling out all the elements in the same row and column. The sign for the last element is positive. So we have 2 times 2, that's 4, minus 4 times 3, that's 12. 4 minus 12, that's minus 8. With a positive sign at the front, it's still minus 8. So that's the cofactor for 2. And that's how to find the cofactors of a matrix. Thank you for watching.